What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I wanted to do a little overview on my Tacoma and kind of like just a few of the things I've done to it. I know I've got a few more subscribers from the Tacoma scene since I did the Kedlet converter security plate. So basically this is my 2019 TRD off-road 4x4 Toyota Tacoma. It's cement gray. It has the tech package, which it comes with the sunroof. Also, it has the color matched rear bumpers with the parking sensors. JBL with the dual zone climate as well on the inside. I haven't done a whole lot to it. I replaced the factory steps with these Tiger steps. I got these off of Amazon. They were like $200 and something, free shipping. I thought they looked pretty good. They're extremely heavy, so they're pretty stout. I don't plan on doing any off-roading or anything, so I'm not going to use them as sliders. I sold the factory wheels as soon as I got it because I already had these waiting. These are the Method NVs. They're in a 265 7017 with the BF Goodwrench KO2 all-terrain, and I replaced the large Method center cap with a custom cap that was made by a Tacoma World member, Meso or Miso. I don't think he's making these anymore. I did the little hood stamp here to kind of help with the glare. I like the way it turned out. This is also from another member on Tacoma World. I don't know if they're still doing these. I still kind of want to maybe wrap the whole hood in a matte black or satin black or something like that, the whole hood, and that way it goes all the way back, because you still get a pretty bad glare right here. So I like to wrap that whole thing in black. I did the TRD Pro grill, as a lot of people do. This is an actual OEM grill. I got it from Sparks Parts. I had this waiting on me when we came home with the Tacoma, so I just swapped it out the first night we got it, and I kept the stock grill. And I did the OEM Rigid Industries LED fogs, and then I did a amber film over them. I like the way it looked in amber. From the dealership, they had already installed the TRD Pro skid plate, which I like it. It's nice that you can change the oil without removing it, unlike the one on my wife's 4Runner. I guess the biggest upgrade I did was I had bought these shortly after. These are the TRD Pro Fox shocks. So I installed these here in the garage. It was pretty easy. I kept the factory blistings just in case we ever have to get these rebuilt, because the Fox ones are rebuildable. So we just did the front and rear both with the TRD Pros. I also did a high clearance exhaust chop. I just didn't really like the way the pipe looked sticking out, right here. So we just cut it off and I put the tip back on. And I did mud flaps that we found from Amazon. They're very, very similar to OEM ones. I think they were like 45 bucks. And I'll put links in the description of this stuff if I can still find it. It's been a while. Like I said, this was a 2019, and I pretty much did everything you see as soon as we got it. I had a lot of the parts waiting. We couldn't find this color with the tech package here in Texas or any surrounding state. Bought this truck over the phone, flew to Tennessee, picked it up and drove it back. As far as the inside goes, I haven't really done a lot. The dealership had already installed the TRD Pro shift knob, which it's not that big of a deal. I don't even know what the factory one looks like. This is the one it's always had. And I did the Hondo garage. These are AR-15 bolt radio knobs on each side, and I like the size. I like the texture they have. They're better than the factory OEM stuff. I'm sitting right at 26,000 miles right now. I don't really have any complaints about the truck. Obviously, I guess one of the biggest ones is, most people wish they had a little bit more power. I wish it did too. But for what the size of the truck it is and what I need it for, it's fine. It came with the foldable Tacoma bed cover. I didn't want this option. I wanted it actually removed, but the way the plastic rails have to get cut for it, the dealership couldn't remove it. So they just took the price off. So basically I didn't pay for it. I got it for free. They just wanted to make the sale. So I did the Tacoma bed mat as well. and I got that off Amazon. I want to say it was around $100. What I've done in here is I have a Cali raised side panels and stuff. You can hang tools and stuff on it. I plan on doing another one probably on this side. I just haven't gotten around doing it yet. But the bed mat is definitely the most improved mod, I think, for the back. Nothing slides around on it. And if anybody's curious, the way this works is you just clip these down in there like this. There's one on each side. That way you can drive with it folded and it won't, the wind won't blow it. So I think that pretty much covers it. Like I said, we got, I love method wheels. I've had them on this truck and my F-150 both. They're cheap, they're strong, and they look good. Like I did mention about the cat converter security plate. You can see it right there on the side. It kind of blends in a little bit with the TRD Pro plate. So they kind of look the same if you look at it from the side view. So it's pretty cool. But yeah, that's about it. There's nothing done underneath the hood. It came with a TRD air filter, and I've left that in and just washed it and cleaned it, put it back in. But yep, that's pretty much it. If anybody's got any questions, leave a comment down below. I'll see if I can answer it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you next time.